This is a video on small incision lenticule extraction. We now observe the docking being done here after adequate drying of the ocular surface. A soft dock approach is preferred while paying attention to the centration of the pupil during the process of applanation. Once we are sure that the pupil is centered, suction is turned on and the cornea is held in position. One has to make sure that the energy settings are ideal during the ablation process. When the settings are ideal, one can observe that there is no feathering or OBL seen during the application of the femtosecond laser. We now bring the patient under the view of the microscope for the lenticule dissection. I now begin the process of lenticule dissection by opening up the vertical 2 mm side cut and keeping a superior bias to make sure that I enter the anterior pocket. So after opening up the side cut now, I point up and lift the margin to make sure that I enter the anterior pocket of the lenticule. Once we are sure that we enter the anterior pocket, I open it up end to end, and now I start to delineate the posterior pocket and enter posteriorly and open up about 0.5 mm of the posterior pocket. I now have a 2 mm entry into the anterior pocket and a 0.5 mm entry into the posterior pocket. It is now time to dissect anterior half. Dissection is carried out from end to end, carefully making sure that there is no islands of undissected tissue left behind. We are now done with the anterior dissection. Now enter into the 0.5 mm posterior opening and start to dissect the posterior base. One can observe that the posterior dissection is not as smooth and easy as the anterior dissection. Patience and persistence and a little more effort is required during the separation of the posterior base. Stay within the margins of the lenticule while the separation of the posterior base is carried out. After this is complete, cut out the margin at 12 o'clock and dissect to the right. Leave a little bit of island in between, cut out to the left and separate the margins on the left completely. Now cut out the island which was left behind and finish the dissection by cutting out any remnant edges on the right of the lenticule. If this method is carried out meticulously, we observe that the lenticule is intact and not folded over or torn during the process of dissection and can be easily extracted out with a forceps. We end the case now with the interface irrigation with balanced wall solution. And place a bandage contact lens for the next 24 hours. Thank you for watching.